GI characteristics of a PN junction diode. Now, this is the graph I can explain today. Okay. Here, voltage can be taken as x-axis, current can be taken as y-axis. Look here now, voltage can be taken as x-axis, current can be taken as y-axis. Current can be taken as y-axis. Okay. Here, this is the PN junction diode. Here, voltage can be taken as x-axis, current can be taken as y-axis. Today, I discuss forward bias. Generally, forward bias current produced due to majority charge carriers. That means more number of charge carriers are there. So this current is measured in the forward bias milliammeter. That means milliamperes. Okay. Here look here. Here applied voltage increases but current does not increases up to here. Why sir ante actually in the forward bias, look here in the forward bias, this is the diode here depletion region, that means on the depletion region pseudo battery developed. That pseudo battery is nothing but the potential barrier. Okay. So here applied voltage increases, holes are repelled by the positive terminal of the battery, it moves Here electrons are repelled by negative terminal of the battery, it moves Automatically depletion layer width decreases, potential barrier decreases. And initially some potential barrier is there, so that's why current does not flow when up to epudu daka ante V greater than VB. You have to look here, this formula, current formula in the forward bias is V minus VB by R according to Ohm's law. Here V is applied voltage, VB is barrier voltage. Here applied voltage always greater than barrier voltage, then the current flow start. Up to here V less than VB up to here V less than VB, applied voltage less than barrier voltage. For example, I take silicon what is the silicon barrier potential 0.7 volt. Up to 0.7 volts no current starts after applied voltage increases, applied voltage greater than 0.7 volts, then currents increase. Okay. Here voltage initially applied voltage increases but current equal to 0 up to barrier voltage after applied voltage greater than 0.7 V means its depletion region completely destroyed. Automatically this will be destroyed, potential barrier becomes destroyed, so that's why current flow easily. So that's why applied voltage increases, current flow increases exponentially. This is the graph of silicon and I discuss germanium. Okay, this is voltage this is current For germanium potential barrier voltage is 0.3 volts. Voltage increases, current becomes 0 up to below barrier potential applied voltage greater than barrier potential, current increases with respect to voltage. Okay. Here this is the graph of what graph germanium. That means these two cases are discussed in the forward bias of the diode. That means here this voltage is called barrier voltage, this voltage is called cutoff voltage, this voltage is called threshold voltage, this voltage is called threshold voltage or knee voltage. Okay, the voltage at which current start, the voltage at which current start, this voltage is called cutoff voltage. threshold voltage, knee voltage in the forward bias. Okay, once again I repeat, the voltage at which current start, the particular voltage is called cutoff voltage, ORR, threshold voltage, ORR, knee voltage. General ga cutoff voltage, threshold voltage, knee voltage is equal to barrier voltage. After barrier, applied voltage greater than barrier voltage, current increases exponentially in the forward bias. Okay. Next, I discuss reverse bias. VI characteristics of PN junction diode. Here I discuss reverse bias. In the reverse bias, P is connected to negative, N is connected to positive. ORR, P is connected to low voltage, N is connected to high voltage. Okay. Here this minus, here repelled by minority charge carriers in the p type, because holes are positive charge, electrons are negative charge. In the p type, holes are majority, electrons are minority. So that's why this negative repelled by electrons, so across the junction. Here also in the n type, minority charge carriers are holes, this positive repelled by holes, so that's why holes moves across the junction. Current flow avutundi ante across the junction move avali, that is the reason. Okay, that means here minority move, here also minority move. Minority charge carriers is a very less number of charge carrier, so less current is produced. Generally this will be neglect, but we particularly discuss the reverse bias, so that's why I draw the graph. Here voltage increases, current also increases. High voltage applied, but low current produced, because in the reverse bias the current is produced due to minority charge carriers here. But at a particular voltage, current suddenly rises. Here at a particular voltage, current suddenly rises. Why, I can explain here. Here this minus repelled by electron, here more applied voltage is given, automatically more kinetic energy of minority charge carriers. Suppose this is the electron, it get more kinetic energy, because more applied voltage is given, more reverse voltage is given, automatically more kinetic energy of the charge carriers, more kinetic energy of the minority charge carriers. It will be moving most speedily. Neighboring atoms will be bombarded, automatically this atom will be break. Once again I repeat, because of more applied voltage, minority charge carrier speed increases and bombard with neighboring atoms, it will be, this atom will be break. Atom inside electrons are there, protons are there, so that's why more charge is produced, more charge flow, more current is produced. That means at a particular voltage, atom break, more number of charge carriers produce, automatically more current is produced. Atom break, current produced more, automatically this particular voltage is called breakdown voltage. What is the breakdown voltage, The voltage at which current suddenly rises because of atom break. So this particular voltage is called breakdown voltage. This will be occur here, atom will be break, automatically the substance is damaged. These are, I explained two cases. First case, case 1, the diode is lightly doped. Diode lightly doped, the breakdown voltage is called the breakdown voltage is called avalanche breakdown voltage. Avalanche breakdown voltage means the voltage at which current suddenly rises, this voltage is called avalanche breakdown voltage when the diode is lightly doped. Okay, case 2, in the avalanche breakdown voltage means here atoms will be break, the substance damage permanently, that means the diode damage permanently. Next nana, diode heavily doped nana, diode heavily doped nana, diode heavily doped means heavily dope means doping. Heavily doped means minority charge carriers increases, majority charge carriers also increase. Doping and adding the impurities, automatically charge carriers increases, that is minority increases, that is majority increases automatically here on the depletion region, this is the depletion region, holes are there, here electrons are there, in this region struck because of covalent bonds, because of high voltage applied, these bonds are break, automatically more charge carriers are released, automatically more current are produced at a particular voltage. The particular voltage is called Zener breakdown voltage. The diode is heavily doped on the covalent bonds of the depletion region break, automatically more charge produced. That means the voltage at which current suddenly rise, the particular voltage is called Zener breakdown voltage. In this case, the diode not damaged nana, because diode is a heavily doped means majority charge carriers more, minority charge carriers more, automatically on the depletion region covalent bonds break, there is no bonds, automatically these minority charge carriers freely move, automatically we get more current at a particular voltage. The particular voltage is called Zener breakdown voltage. Simply, in the reverse bias, at a particular voltage current suddenly rise, the diode is lightly doped, the breakdown voltage is called avalanche breakdown voltage. The diode is heavily doped, the particular breakdown voltage is called Zener breakdown voltage. Okay, next I discuss some problems. Here to see the first problem. PN junction is reverse bias, corresponding current is 25 microamperes. PN junction diode is forward bias, corresponding current is 75 microamperes. Okay, find diffusion current. Okay, according to concept, what is the diffusion current? Diffusion current is a current always produce majority charge carriers. Okay, what is the drift current? Drift current is a current it always produced due to minority charge carriers. Simply called diffusion current is nothing but the majority charges current. Drift current is nothing but the minority charges current. Okay, generally in the PN junction diode, current means I diffusion, okay, minus I drift. Total current in the PN junction diode is nothing but the diffusion current minus drift current. Why here minus right? Because diffusion current direction always P to N, drift current direction always N to P. So here write minus. Okay. In the first question I discussed nana. Look here nana. Look here. What is the first question? Unbiased condition. diffusion current can be calculated. Unbiased means no connection of battery. Biasing means connection of battery. Unbiasing means not connecting the battery. So not connect the battery, current flow becomes what? Nana? Zero. Zero equal to I diffusion minus I drift. According to this condition, I diffusion equal to I drift. Okay, here nana I diffusion equal to I drift. Okay, look here nana, here diffusion current equal to drift current, but drift current is given. Reverse bias only the current produced minority charge carriers. That current is called what current nana? Drift current. In the reverse bias current produced due to minority charge carriers. Andike some cases lo that current is neglected because microamperes. Okay, so that's why very less current produced. Andichana current 25 microamperes. That means here drift current I write 75 microamperes. Sorry, 25 microamperes is given here. Okay, in the reverse bias current is only drift current, because reverse bias the current produced due to only minority charge carriers. Okay, so diffusion current becomes 25 microamperes when the connection is unbiased. Second B in reverse bias. Okay, reverse bias. Here find what current nana? Diffusion current. Just I discussed in the reverse bias only current due to minority charge carriers. That means in the reverse bias only drift current possible, diffusion current not possible nana, because diffusion current means the current due to majority charge carriers. So in the reverse bias diffusion current becomes at the zero. Okay, next nana C. Here find diffusion current in what bias? Forward bias. Generally current is nothing but in the forward bias formula is I diffusion minus I drift nana. This is the formula for current. Here diffusion current can be determined. Here I diffusion equal to I minus other side plus nana plus I drift nana. Already drift current we know that in the reverse bias voltage is drift current is 25. I means in the forward bias the current is given what here? 75. Here 75 plus 25 we get 100. Okay, then to solve the problem these 3 points keep in your mind. What is the diffusion current? The current due to majority charge carriers. What is the drift current? The current due to minority charge carriers. Generally, what is the current formula in forward bias means current equal to current due to diffusion current minus current due to drift. Diffusion current minus drift current equal to current net current. That is formula applicable in forward bias only. Okay, in the reverse bias the current due to only minority charge carriers. So reverse bias current always called as drift current, but forward bias current generally called as diffusion current. Sometimes the net current equal to diffusion current minus drift current. Okay, diffusion current minus drift current in the forward bias. Okay, these points keep in your mind to solve this problem. This is IIT model. Okay, so solve in pattern. Okay, next very easiest problem I discuss. Look here. This is the circuit diagram. All the given diodes are ideal diodes. Ideal diodes means in the forward bias internal resistance becomes 0. In the reverse bias, internal resistance becomes infinity. That means simply this is forward bias, this is reverse bias. In the forward bias, its resistance is 0, the diode is called ideal diode. In the reverse bias, its resistance infinity, the diode is called ideal diode. Okay? Here, look here Nana, find current Nana. This is the battery symbol. Here plus. P is connected to positive Nana. Here P is connected to positive. Both the diodes are forward bias Nana. Forward bias means allow the current Nana. Allow the current. Current always flow from plus to minus. So here current allow Nana. Here current allow. Here. That means in this point current divide Nana. In the according to electricity, current divided, the combination is called parallel combination. What combination Nana? Parallel combination. In this point, here current always flow from plus to minus. In this point, current divide in the two resistance. The combination is called parallel combination. Parallel combination means R effective formula is Nana. What is the formula for effective resistance in the circuit? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. According to diagram, R1 value is 4 ohms, R2 value also 4 ohms, 4 plus 4 8, 4 into 4 16 by 8. Effective resistance is 2 ohms. We get that. Okay. Next, here to determine current Nana, according to Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. Here, according to diagram, voltage is also given Nana. Voltage is also given Nana. For example, 8 volts is given. Here, write 8 volts by total effective resistance is 2. What is the current flow in the circuit? 4. Current unit is amperes. Okay. Next to see the diagram, here also voltage is given 4 volts now. To see here, in this direction current always flow from plus to minus Nana. Here Nana, this upper diode is P is connected to positive Nana, but lower diode N is connected to positive Nana. So that's why this is reverse bias. In the ideal diode, reverse bias, internal resistance is infinity. Infinity resistance means infinity opposition. So here not allow the current Nana, not allow the current, because this diode is reverse bias. In the reverse bias ideal diode, not allow the current. So that's why current flow in this direction Nana, plus to minus. That means this will be removed here. Okay, current continuously flow. So here I equal to again V by R Nana. Here V value 4. This diode is not work. So this resistance cannot be considered. Okay, this resistance can be considered. R value 4. 4 by 4 becomes 1. Okay. Next Nana, to see this diagram Nana. This diagram. Here PN. Here PN. Okay, here P is connected to high Nana, N is connected to 0 volts Nana, because this is the earth Nana, earth potential I take 0 volts. This is the symbol of earth Nana. Here this current flows in this direction Nana, here. This is both are forward bias Nana. Forward bias means I equal to formula is V minus VB by R. Here V is called applied voltage. Applied voltage means here 12 is there, here 0 is there. Potential difference is 12. 12 minus 0, 12. Minus potential barrier. Here first metal is silicon. Potential barrier is for silicon is 0.7 Nana, plus next metal is germanium. Potential barrier is 0.3 Nana. R is resistance. 5 kilo means 10 power 3. Here 12 minus 0.7 plus 0.3 write as 1 Nana by 5 into 10 power 3 Nana. 12 minus 1 11. 11 by 5 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. 11 by 5 neatly write as 2.2. 10 power minus 3 ampere write as milliampere. Okay. Next I discuss another model. Hold. Look here, this problem here. According to diagram, okay, Pn. Look here. P is connected to positive. That means both the diodes are forward bias. Okay. But in this situation, in the electricity, current flows in shortest path. Even both the oppositions are same, because this is the silicon. What is the potential barrier for silicon? 0.7. Both the oppositions are same. In this case, current flow shortest path. So that's why I write current formula in forward bias V minus VB by R. What is the applied voltage is given? 10 ohm. For silicon, what is the potential barrier? 0.7. Here, what is the shortest path? This is the shortest path. This cannot be considered because both the oppositions are same. Current flow shortest path. Okay. This silicon diode cannot be considered. By total resistance is 2 kilo ohms. 2 into 10 power 3. 10 minus 0.7 write as 9.3. 9.3 by 2. Here 10 power 3 above 10 power minus 3. It neatly explained 2 4s 8, 2 6 12, 2 5s. In 10 power minus 3 amperes write as milliamperes. That means we get 4.65 milliamperes. Okay. Next, this problem to see here. Here also P is connected to positive. Both the diodes are forward bias. But one diode is silicon, other diode is germanium. In this case, both the oppositions are not same. Here, this opposition potential barrier is 0.7. This potential barrier is 0.3. Which potential barrier is less? Germanium. So, in this electronic circuit, we follow less opposition. So that's why in this case, this diagram, it write in this manner, 10 volts here, 2 kilo ohm here, which will be removed, silicon is removed because silicon is the shortest path, no doubt. But opposition is more, so that's why less opposition I take, Both are equal opposition, we follow shortest path. Both are unequal opposition, we follow less opposition. So that's why this is current formula in the forward bias is V minus VB by R. Applied voltage 10. Potential barrier for germanium is 0.3. By resistance is 2 kilo. Kilo means 1000. Okay, 10 minus 3. 10 minus 0.3. That means 9.7 by 2. Here 10 power plus 3 above minus 3. Current units is amperes. 10 power minus 3 write as milliamperes. Here 2 4s 8, 4.85 milliamperes. Okay. These two models, both are equal opposition to follow shortest path. Both are unequal opposition to follow shortest least opposition. Okay.